Here in Clarendon, where I'm from, we don't have those postcard perfect beaches or jaw-dropping waterfalls like the ones in Portland, St. Anne, St. Elizabeth, or even Westmoreland. But don't get it twisted, Clarendon still has its own natural wonders. Best believe, when Easter rolls around, when summer turns up the heat, or honestly, whenever we feel like just freshening up, all of we pack up and head straight to Salt River. Salt River Mineral Spa is a go-to spot for locals and tourists alike. It's completely free, no entrance fee, no hassle, just pure natural beauty waiting to be enjoyed. Whether you're a thrill seeker looking to make a big splash, or a relaxation enthusiast hoping to soak away stress, or a foodie like me who is just counting out the minutes until I can devour some crispy fried fish and half a dozen piping hot festivals, there is something here for everyone. This natural mineral spa is actually a tributary of the famous Milk River Mineral Spa, which boasts the highest mineral content in the world. Yes, you heard that right. So yeah, when you dip into these waters, you're not just cooling down, you're soaking up top-tier spa quality minerals without the hefty price tag. It's believed that the waters have healing properties, helping with ailments like arthritis, muscle pain, and even skin conditions. Some say after just a few minutes in the mineral-rich water, you will feel refreshed, rejuvenated, and maybe even a few years younger. No guarantees, but hey, it's worth a try, right? But Salt River isn't just a chill spot. It's also part of the Portland Bight Protected Area, the largest protected region in Jamaica. This vast 1,876.2 square kilometer stretch runs from the western edge of the Kingston Harbor through the rugged Hellshire Hills, along the Brasiletta Mountains in Hayes, down Portland Ridge, ending above Rocky Point. Now, why is this important? Because Salt River is home to some of the most diverse ecosystems in the Caribbean. It is one of the top 10 biodiversity zones in the entire region, featuring a mix of marine, wetland, freshwater, and terrestrial habitats. It's crucial for wildlife, and the people in Salt River depend on it for fishing and tourism. From mangroves to coral reefs, from seabirds to sea creatures, this area is teeming with life. But beware, you might not be alone. Speaking of wildlife, don't be too surprised if you spot a crocodile peeking out of the water. Yeah, I know, it sounds something straight out of a movie, right? But crocodiles do live here. And every now and then, they make a grand entrance, reminding us that this is their home too. In fact, there have been some headline-making moments recently, like on April 9, 2023, or May 13, 2024, when the crocodile decided to give swimmers a little surprise visit. Let's just say, when you come to Salt River, you're not the only one looking for a refreshing dip. But don't worry, they usually keep to themselves unless provoked. So just respect their space, and they will respect yours. Now let me help you get there. Salt River Mineral Spa is a hidden gem tucked away in the southern Clarendon community of Salt River. If you're coming from Kingston, take Highway 2000 and exit at the last stop before Maypen. From there, head right towards Freetown, then take a left at the Total gas station onto Salt River Road. You will pass Longwell Park, Cockpit, and then just a few miles, you're there. You can also access it from Hayes. And of course, a quick Google Map search will help point you in the right direction. Because let's be honest, nobody likes getting lost. Once you see this welcome sign, congratulations, you've arrived. The mineral spring is visible from the roadway, nestled behind a neatly fenced garden area. Simply drive onto the paved road, park where you see fit, and get ready to soak up the vibes. You can dip, dive, or if you're feeling adventurous, swing from the rope like Tarzan's long-lost cousin. For those who aren't the best swimmers like me, no worries. There are plenty of shallow areas where you can safely enjoy the water. The little ones will have a blast, splashing and playing in the gentle currents. If you visit on a weekend or public holiday, get ready for a high energy experience. Expect to see more heads than water, hear loud music pumping, and feel the infectious energy of a lively Jamaican lime. But if you're looking for a peaceful, laid-back experience, I'd recommend coming on a weekday or early morning when the place is quiet, like now, when the water is still and you can truly unwind. Now, let's talk food. What's a day without some good food? Remember that fried fish, piping hot festival that I mentioned earlier? My family, friends, and I usually get ours here from Jalina's Restaurant and Bar. Their menu is a seafood or a foodie lover's dream. Crispy fried chicken, perfectly seasoned fried fish, steaming hot festivals, all cooked to order, priced just right, and served with a side of top-tier customer service. And the best part, you get to dine with a stunning view of the mineral spring. There are also other restaurants on site serving similar dishes, so you've got options. And of course, if you need something to wash it all down, you can grab your favorite beverage because nothing pairs with seafood like an ice cold drink in hand. But what you see here today wasn't always the case. Salt River has undergone a major transformation in recent years thanks to efforts by the Tourism Product Development Company Limited and the Clarendon Municipal Corporation. In 2020, they launched an ambitious renovation project to upgrade the area while preserving its natural charm. Gone are the old structures that once served as bathrooms and changing rooms for countless visitors over the years. In their place stand modern concrete facilities offering improved sanitation and a more comfortable experience for everyone. Another exciting addition is the beautifully landscaped garden, which has given the space a much-needed facelift, making it even more welcoming to both locals and tourists. The ultimate goal of these upgrades is to create a more organized and sustainable recreational space. This includes standardizing all shops to ensure they meet public health and safety regulations, introducing designated parking areas to improve accessibility, and develop dedicated recreational zones for families to enjoy. And the best part, despite all these improvements, the mineral spring remains 100% free for all visitors. The plan is to make the site self-sustaining, with funds generating from the businesses leasing shops on property, contributing to its upkeep and continued development. A win is a win. So if you're looking for a mix of adventure, relaxation, nature and amazing food, Salt River Mineral Spa is definitely worth the trip. Whether you're here to enjoy the refreshing waters, explore the natural beauty of the area, simply kick back with some good food and good company, Salt River offers an unforgettable experience, one that keeps people coming back again and again. So pack your bags, round up your crew and head to Salt River, Clarendon's very own natural escape. Well, that's it on this episode on the Salt River Mineral Spa located in Clarendon. And I hope so you learned something today, because I certainly did. And to help me build this platform, be sure to like, to share, to subscribe and to comment so that you can see more interesting videos on the attractions and the historical places and just any and everywhere in Jamaica. One love, blessings.